It's back there. Chicken's back there. Sorry. Oh my god, I hate my life. Yes, I am the whole thing. Palm olive? Oh my god. I really hate my life. Look to the left, they usually have free cookies. They have free cookies to the left. They usually got free cookies over here.
Oh yeah.
What's it? Where are the free? Where are the cookies?
All over you.
No, there's usually free cookies.
Yeah, they're sample.
Where am I sitting?
Ask them.
I hate my life.
I hate my life. What? Did you hear that?
What's that?
Air horns?
No.
You did not just hear that? Aisle 4.
2 hot dogs and a soda.
No, that was before that. This is like a commercial.
A commercial? Did they really say that?
No bubbles.
I hate my. Stop. 2 hot dogs and a soda. Thank God.
2 hot dogs and a soda!
Where's the samples? When I came here as a kid, they always had samples.
Ask them. You want samples so bad? There's one of the sprinkles for $3. I don't want chicken, bro. Don't remind me of sprinkles.
Oh my God. TJ, you're looks like boy's pie.
Birthday, happy birthday. I always wanted to get a cake like this. Like a cookie.
And bubbles.
How much are they? $10. I'm taking it.
Happy
Birthday.
birthday.
Wait, are you guys going to Alice today? Going? Are you going? No.
You're an asshole.
What? I may not. Fine, stay home with your mom.
I wouldn't want to after what these people do.
Well, that'll be even worse because you'll be on your own. Oh, we're coming over your house.
Yeah. We'll be at your house. What you do?
Especially if Justin or Kyle comes over to somebody's house, they have to be at your house, like, basically each and every day. Why?
Oh.
Because you went over to my house once, and then you guys were like, oh, party at his house. Party at his house.
That's what happened with my house. Like, one time,
Oh, she broke it.
Shit, it's leaking in my pot. Oh wait, those are the bubbles.
oh my god, the bubbles.
Oh.
Yeah, like we're not being stared at.
Okay. No! People are gonna come. She's elevator phobia. It's like now you're moving, bro. Oh, fuck.
Wait, we didn't pick the floor.
Yeah.
Oh, he didn't
We didn't pick the floor. We didn't pick the floor.
Stop! Oh, shit.
We didn't.
What's 2R? What's 2R? What's 2R? 2 room. What number 2 is the room?
Elevators.
Get in the car.
Shut up. You're not gonna get a car.
Hey, listen.
Shut
Oh,
up.
Minkia.
We're on the roof.
Fucking idiot.
No, who remembers Christian Mac?
No, I was there, I was there.
Where?
there?
Yeah.
When?
Oh, my ear.
You saw Luke's mom?
Yeah, that was there.
No, that was the wrong time.
Oh, long time. We saw her twice then.
Stop. Stop.
I think I was just shake it.
Shaking it, the whole still.
Oh my God.
You recording all of this?
Yes.
Yeah, we have to throw these up there, see if they explode.
Yeah.
Yeah,
They will.
I know that.
What?
Hey, buddy!
Who would park so far away?
Do it.
Then you do it.
No.
Exactly.
I do it good, but
Bottom bitch.
Can I try? I bought it.
Listen, buddy, you're a bottom bitch.
No, don't shake it. Now it's not gonna work.
Why not? I like shaking.
Don't shake it. Don't shake it.
I want to
It doesn't.
Mm.
I know. Look, if you shake it, there's a lot less.
No, you have to hold it down.
Ew, what came out of that?
What did you throw?
Bubbles.
Hopefully it hit a car. No, you don't hold it down. Don't hold it down.
What? Is that a helicopter?
I'm doing donuts. Wait.
I'm joking.
I'm doing donuts. Hello.
Let's go, Yankees!
Don't flip over.
Stop bouncing.
Oh my God, it's gonna break and we're gonna die.
Things are like full of air. And
Yo, don't do that shit. Yo, that shit hurts like hell. Don't do that. It's gonna burn now. That's the fun part. What's this warning? Yo, liquid contents may cause frostbite from freezing on contact. Yeah, shit, yo, that shit hurts.
TJ?
No, that shit hurts.
No, you gotta move it. That's not
Oh shit.
gonna. Kyle freezes.
It's in your ear, Kyle. Tell me this doesn't hurt. Oh shit. Oh fuck. It got in your eye? Yeah. Oh, I thought it went in your ear. Oh, it went in my ear. That went in my ear.
Megan, dude.
Ow! Shit, that hurt.
Good.
Burning. Fuck.
My braces. Hi. Heads up! Let's put you.